This is math lesson part 2 for May 26th, 2020. Find area by decomposing into rectangles. Decompose, that means break down, each figure into rectangles. Then find the area of the figure. The area is the space inside. I realized that you could just count the little squares and write blank unit squared and put the number in, but that's not what this lesson is for. It's getting you ready for when they show you figures like this with no squares inside, just numbers around the perimeter. So they're just doing sort of an easy practice, but you still need to practice breaking down or decomposing each rectangle, each figure into rectangles. Now I could divide it this way into 2 rectangles. Yes, a square is a rectangle. 4 rows of 3 is 12, 2 rows of 2 is 4, 12 plus 4 equals 16 units squared. But I don't have to divide it this way. See how I did a vertical line? I could choose to divide it a different way. I could make 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 times 5 is 10, 6 plus 10 is 16 units squared. I got the same answer. So you get to decompose each shape into the way you want to do it. So I could do this. 1 row of 3 is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 is 8. 3 plus 8 is 11 units squared. But I don't have to divide it vertically. I could divide it horizontally. 1 row of 5 is 5. 3 rows of 2 is 6. 5 plus 6 is 11 units squared. It's the same total. It's the same area, but you get to pick which way you want to divide it. Now it'll get fun down here. So you could do all verticals, or you could do all horizontals. This is really fun to me. So write the area in each section, add it up, and that's your total. That is your math lesson part 1. Do the same thing on page 346. Sorry, math lesson part 2.